beyond words, beyond worlds. Kotoba camp.
Snap.
Snap.
To break suddenly with a sharp sound, to move quickly and sharply. A sudden, sharp sound or action.
突然折断，猛然移动，快速动作，啪声，猛然一击。
Some tree branches snap under the weight of heavy snow during harsh winters. During a storm, the wind was so strong that it caused power lines to snap.
I heard a twig snap underfoot while walking through the dense forest.
When under stress, some materials snap rather than bend or stretch.
It's crucial to stay focused, as opportunities can snap shut in an instant.
Snappy.
Snappy.
Her snappy response during the debate impressed everyone in the room. Snapshot.
Snapshot. This data provides a snapshot of economic conditions in the region.
Break, crack, pop, click.
折断，裂开，爆裂，咔嚓声。
Bend, mend, join, connect.
弯曲，修补，连接，连结。
Soak.
Soak.
To make something completely wet by immersing it in liquid, to absorb. The act of soaking, or the state of being soaked.
浸泡，使湿透，吸收，浸泡状态，湿透。
After a long hike, my boots were so soaked that they took hours to dry. Heavy rain can soak the soil, leading to potential landslides in hilly areas.
The sponge was left to soak in warm water to remove the stubborn stains.
If you soak the seeds overnight, they will germinate much faster.
Proper irrigation ensures that water can soak into the ground effectively.
Soaked.
Soaked.
After the sudden downpour, everyone at the outdoor event was soaked. Soaking.
Soaking. A good soaking of the fabric is necessary before applying the dye.
Drench, saturate, immerse, steep.
浸透，饱和，浸没，浸泡。
Dry, dehydrate, desiccate, parch.
前燥，脱水，变钱，烤钱。
Sore.
Sore.
Painful or aching, often from injury or overuse, sensitive to touch. A painful or injured spot on the body.
疼痛的，酸痛的，敏感的，痛处，伤处。
After hours of running, my legs felt so sore that I could barely walk. Carrying heavy loads for long periods can make your shoulders extremely sore.
The athlete had a sore knee after twisting it during the intense match.
I felt sore for days after starting a new workout routine unexpectedly.
It's important to rest if you feel sore to avoid further muscle damage.
sorely.
sorely.
Resources were sorely needed to rebuild the community after the disaster. Soreness.
soreness. Persistent soreness in joints may indicate an underlying health issue.
Aching, tender, painful, raw.
酸痛的、敏感的、疼痛的、刺痛的。
Comfortable, painless, soothed, healed.
舒适的、无痛的、缓解的、痊愈的。
Souvenir.
Souvenir.
An object kept as a reminder of a place, event, or experience, a memento.
纪念品、纪念物、回忆物。
While traveling in Europe, I bought a small statue as a souvenir of my visit to Paris. Many tourists pick up postcards as souvenirs to remember their trips.
At the museum gift shop, unique souvenirs are available for purchase.
I always bring back a souvenir from every country I visit to share with friends.
Collecting souvenirs helps preserve memories of meaningful journeys.
Souvenir-like.
Souvenir-like.
The handcrafted trinket had a souvenir-like charm that reminded me of home. Souvenir hunting.
Souvenir hunting. During the trip, souvenir hunting became our favorite pastime in every city.
Memento, keepsake, token, reminder.
纪念物、纪念品、信物、提醒物。
Necessity, essential, requirement, obligation.
必需品、必要物、需求、义务。
Spare.
Spare.
To give something that is not needed, to save from harm or use. Extra or not currently needed. A replacement or extra item.
节省、饶恕、多余的、备用的、备件、备用物。
We decided to spare no effort in ensuring the project was completed on time. If you have any spare time this weekend, consider joining us for a hike.
There are a few spare chairs in the storage room if we need more seating.
I always carry a spare pen in case the one I'm using runs out of ink.
Keep a spare tire in your vehicle to avoid being stranded on the road.
Sparing.
Sparing.
He was sparing with his words, only speaking when absolutely necessary. Spared.
Spared. The old building was spared from demolition due to its historical value.
Save, reserve, afford, allow.
节省、保留、提供、允许。
Waste, squander, expend, deplete.
浪费、挥霍、耗费、耗尽。
Special.
Special.
Better, greater, or different from what is usual, unique, or particular. Something that is not ordinary or regular.
特别的、特殊的、独特的、特别的事物、特例。
This museum has a special exhibit on ancient civilizations that only lasts for a month. The library offers a special collection of rare manuscripts for scholars.
Certain birds have special adaptations that allow them to survive in harsh climates.
I appreciate the special effort you made to help me with this challenging task.
This event requires a special approach to ensure all participants feel included.
Specially.
Specially.
This program was specially designed to meet the needs of advanced learners. Specialize.
Specialize. Many doctors choose to specialize in fields like cardiology or neurology.
Unique, exceptional, extraordinary, distinctive.
独特的、杰出的、非凡的、有特色的。
Ordinary, common, usual, regular.
普通的、常见的、通常的、常规的。
Spice.
Spice.
A substance, often from a plant, used to add flavor to food. Something that adds excitement or interest. To add flavor or excitement to something.
香料、调味料，刺激、兴奋，添加香料，使有味道。
Cinnamon is a popular spice used in both sweet and savory dishes across many cultures. Many traditional recipes rely on a unique blend of spices for their distinct taste.
Turmeric, a bright yellow spice, is often used for its color and health benefits.
Adding a bit of spice to your presentation can make it more engaging for the audience.
A dash of spice in storytelling can transform a mundane tale into a captivating one.
Spicy.
Spicy.
The dish was so spicy that it brought tears to my eyes after just one bite. Spiced.
Spiced. The spiced tea had hints of clove and cardamom that warmed me on a cold day.
Seasoning, flavoring, zest, tang.
调味料、香料、热情、刺激。
Blandness, dullness, monotony, plainness.
平淡、乏味、单调、朴素。
Spill.
Spill.
To cause or allow liquid to flow over the edge of a container. To reveal or spread unintentionally. An instance of something being spilled, a mess caused by spilling.
溢出、溅出、泄露、传播、溢出物、弄脏。
Be careful not to spill the coffee on the important documents lying on the table. During the experiment, a chemical spill occurred, requiring immediate cleanup.
Oil spills in the ocean can have devastating effects on marine ecosystems.
Try not to spill any details about the surprise event until the day arrives.
A spill of confidential information could jeopardize the entire operation.
Spillage.
Spillage.
The spillage of paint on the floor created a colorful but messy pattern. Spilled.
Spilled. The spilled juice left a sticky residue on the kitchen counter.
Pour, overflow, leak, disclose.
倾倒、溢出、泄露、透露。
Contain, hold, retain, conceal.
容纳、持有、保留、隐藏。
Spin.
Spin.
To turn around quickly on an axis, to create or produce something, often a story or idea. A rapid turning or rotating movement, a particular interpretation or bias.
旋转、纺织、编造、旋转、观点。
The planet takes approximately 24 hours to complete one full spin on its axis. The wind turbine blades spin rapidly to generate electricity in strong winds.
Figure skaters must control their spin to maintain balance during performances.
Some authors spin captivating tales that draw readers into imaginary worlds.
Media outlets often put a positive spin on events to influence public opinion.
Spinning.
Spinning.
The spinning wheel was once a vital tool for making thread in many cultures. Spinner.
Spinner. The fidget spinner became a popular toy among children for its calming effect.
Rotate, twirl, whirl, revolve.
旋转、快速转动、旋转、绕转。
Stop, halt, cease, still.
停止、停顿、终止、静止。
Splash.
Splash.
To cause liquid to scatter or fall in drops, to make a noticeable impact or impression. The sound or action of liquid hitting a surface, a small amount of liquid scattered.
溅、泼，引起轰动，溅水声，少量液体。
The children loved to splash in the puddles after a heavy rainstorm. Raindrops splash against the window, creating a soothing rhythm during the storm.
Divers make a small splash when entering the water to minimize disturbance.
The new art exhibit made a big splash in the local community with its bold themes.
The advertisement made a splash with its creative approach to a common product.
Splashing.
Splashing.
The splashing waves against the shore created a calming atmosphere at sunset. Splashed.
Splashed. The canvas was splashed with vibrant colors, reflecting the artist's emotions.
Sprinkle, spatter, dash, splatter.
撒溅、冲击、泼溅。
Absorb, contain, restrain, suppress.
吸收、容纳、抑制、压制。
Well done. Take a break and remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's keep our learning motivation fresh.
Your limitation, it's only your imagination.